Today you shame me before the court. Tomorrow love will shame the throne.
Good evening, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, Veer has already chosen Meher as his main wife.
No, he can't.
The king has rejected her public. Such disgrace for a palace maiden.
Ha! So this is royal justice? A prince who cannot rule his heart cannot rule a kingdom!
Good evening, Your Majesty. We are honored by your presence. May your reign be prosperous.
Veer, you can't marry Meher.
Father, why not? Why cannot Meher be selected?
This court has never seen the king so merciless. Love has no place before the throne.
Meher is the queen's niece. That itself is the reason.
Your Majesty, what grave mistake has my aunt committed?
The queen tried to usurp the throne.
By royal decree, third Prince Anna is removed from succession and royal lineage.
I spared her life. That itself was benevolence.
Your Majesty, please do not punish the third prince further because of his mother's mistakes.
My king, I plead for mercy.
Please, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, please forgive my cousin.
Father,
He is still your son.
show mercy.
Loyalty and duty come before sentiment. The law of the crown must be upheld. In this palace, we are ruler and subject, before father and son.
Meher has been in the royal family for a long time. She knew nothing. She is innocent, Father. With the third prince having already refused her, she faces losing her status once more.
As a woman from the palace, how can she maintain her standing in this world?
Why are you speaking up for her?
Father, the queen's family crime shouldn't be passed on to her. Meher is also your family.
Meher is from the Pathore clan. With the present situation, think carefully before bringing her into your house.
Veer! Why are you making the king angry? Please mind your words.
Keshav,
Yes, Your Majesty.
escort her out of the palace.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Poor Meher. She is paying for sins she never committed. If the queen's crime touches her, no one will dare marry her.
Based on your many years of deep affection with my aunt, could you please treat her with some kind of kindness?
Sister Meher, this way please.
I am not blessed to serve you. I will take my leave. Please take care.
Meher!
A crown must rest on purity, not on the shadow of a fallen bloodline.
So fate has chosen correctly after all. The throne will not accept a disgraced lineage.
Prince Veer is still pleading. This will anger His Majesty further.
Remember this day, Prince Veer. The crown you denied me will haunt your destiny.
Veer, don't lose yourself. Your Majesty, it's a happy occasion for the choosing of a wife today. Shall we continue the wife selection?
Forget it. I can see that everyone is tired. Let's talk about this another day.
I like the way everything ended. I am so happy today. In this palace, only cunning and loyalty matter. I really do not like Meher. I am glad she was not chosen.
May I please take a moment to bid farewell to my aunt before departing?
All right, please be quick.
Thank you, Keshav. I will leave immediately.
I'll wait for you here. I would rather not have the king start looking for me.
Aunt, where are you?
Aunt.
Meher, why are you here? How did you come in here? Were you omitted from the selection? Were you implicated with me?
His Majesty wanted me to leave the palace immediately. I see. Leave the palace immediately. Do not bother about me. I will think of a way to beg His Majesty. You must not beg. If you do, His Majesty will be furious with everyone from our clan. Go back and tell them, no one must plead for me, lest His Majesty place the responsibility on someone again.
Aunt, I don't want to leave only you here.
Go. Leave now.
Aunt.
Sister Mia, please hurry up. If you delay, I won't be able to bear this crime.
Aunt, I don't want to leave only you here. Go! I command you to leave now.
Sister Meher, please hurry up. If you delay, I won't be able to bear this crime.
Prince Veer! What are you doing outside the palace?
What you are watching is more than a film. It is a royal journey of hearts and consequences. Every scene in this story carries meaning, a meaning shaped by loyalty, sacrifice, and fate. As the palace gates close, the story is only just beginning. If this story speaks to you, like the video, share the story, and follow the page. Don't miss scene 8. If chaos could take a human form, this would be the moment it steps forward.